Hey y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome if you are new, or welcome back if you are an old friend. I have purchased this porch sign from Hobby Lobby several years ago, and much to my dismay, it survived one season before it started to deteriorate. The front had started to warp and pull away from the back support, but I am tight-fisted with my money, and since I had paid full price for the item, I did not want to throw it away. I had put it in the garage with the thought that one day I would give it a makeover. That day has arrived. I used my stapler and wood glue to fortify the warped edges and backing and reattach the two pieces together, and then I used some outdoor acrylic paint to paint the edges to cover my work. Off camera, I did give the entire piece 2 coats of polyacrylic just to be on the safe side, even though it will be semi-covered. A couple of years ago, while shopping at Dollar Tree, I found one of the large metal flowers on clearance. It was marked down because the pistil was missing, but I had a wooden ball in my craft stash which I painted, and I used hot glue and E6000 to attach it to the center. And then I stapled the metal flower to the porch leaner to replace the O. I have been trying really hard this year to craft my stash and use the things that I have before I bring in anything new. While you're here, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, maybe even give this video a hype. I'm always doing something and I share it with my friends. What I hope is that you can find some inspiration in something that I do and you get an idea to create something even more fantastic. In a previous video, I made some cute boho spheres out of the Dollar Tree wood bead wreath rings. How I was going to display them did not work out, so I had to pivot, and we had an older table at work that was unstable and could no longer be used, but the tabletop was fun, and Tanya persuaded me to keep the tabletop. She insisted that I could make something out of it, and it was too good to throw away, and so it has been propped up for months waiting on an idea. I gave it 2 coats of chalk paint and 2 coats of polyacrylic. I used 3 plant hangers from the Dollar Tree and hung them offset on the tabletop with screws. I did purchase 2 of the metal floral butterfly wall decor pieces from the Dollar Tree and position them in between the plant hangers. You could also purchase a piece of wood from a home improvement store, and don't forget that they will cut your piece of wood to the appropriate size at no extra cost. I thought that both of these trash to treasure projects turned out so cute. Both of them are very budget friendly, and I thought that I would show you my idea in case you were out yard selling or thrifting and needed a little inspiration, in case you came across something that needed a little bit of a makeover and you could make something really great for your porch. You really do not need to spend a lot of money to create a cozy outdoor living space, and you really do not need a large area. This would work for a small porch, a large porch, and it would even work for an apartment balcony. Thank you ever so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.